Mami, this one is cute. And color yellow. Yellow. Sleeves is pop with garter. May shading siya sa gilid, mga mami. Ganda nito. Medium to large. Code fresh. Code is fresh. Medium to large. 100 pesos. Fresh ka lang, ganun. Marami pa akong polo, mga mami. Ma'am G, Kabanayan, yours na po. Next, mga mami, this one is smock. Very pang formal din naman. Size medium, semi-large. Sleeves is garterized. Smocking siya ha. Small, medium, semi-large. Code, garter. Code is garter, 100 pesos. Garter. Sleeveless, yeah, meron, Ma'am Evelyn. Small, medium, semi-large, garter. Has garter. Okay. Pumambling siya, mama. Next, very formal, mga madam. Very office to. Size medium. Zara levels in color emerald green. Code medium lang ha. Pwede sa small, code emerald. Code is emerald. Small man book. Red polo. Let's see. Small matte, emerald, 100 pesos. Bilis malupan. Next, mga mami, very Zara. This one is silk fabric. Short sleeves lang, mga madam. Ang ganda rin nito. For size large, code social. For size large, code social, 100 pesos. Very Zara. Social. Okay, ako magsusot ng social kung ayaw niyo. Next, mga mami. Size, I don't know. Large to XL. Large to XL, color pink. Tiklupin mo lang ulit, ate. Code pink. Code is pink, 100 pesos. I'll wear this sa shop. Mga mami, ayaw ko shop.